Hello friends, we are going to see how to overcome the fear of coding and how you can succeed in overcoming that fear. Why coding fear is there? Why we are always afraid of coding and run seeing behind that there is a huge tension of coding behind us. बहुत बड़ा टेंशन होता है और हम भागते रहते हैं कि हम कोडिंग नहीं चाहिए नहीं चाहिए नहीं चाहिए. So why this fear is coming? There are four reasons to be afraid of coding. First very reason is all of you find it very difficult. It is so difficult. आप इतना सिर खुजाओगे यार कोडिंग तो समझ में ही नहीं आती है, बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट है, कैसे होगा क्या होगा. Second is that you are always having that fear and you have always having that just ki guess I'll fail no matter what, I am going to fail in coding. This is a very important factor due to which coding is very fearful. In fact, you are always guessing that I will fail. The third factor related to coding is I'm getting too late to learn. That is why that students are so much behind, that it is so difficult to learn and I'm too late. People are knowing what it is there, बट आई एम नॉट नोइंग थिंग्स. बहुत आगे जा रहे हैं बच्चे पर मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मैं काफ़ी लेट हो रही हूँ पढ़ने के लिए, यार अब कैसे होगा क्या होगा. तो ये टेंशन होता है जिसकी वजह से आप कोडिंग के लिए फियर करते हो. आप हमेशा ये महसूस करते हो कि मैं बहुत लेट हो गई लर्न करने के लिए एंड इट कम्स अप देयर. नेक्स्ट लास्ट फैक्टर विच इज़ देयर विच यू हैव एन माइंड सेट, आई एम नॉट मेंट टू कोड. ये वाला अगर आपका माइंडसेट बन गया कि आई एम नॉट मीन्ट टू कोड, मैं इस प्रोफेशन के लायक ही नहीं था, ऑब्वियसली दिस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू मेक यू वेरी इजी इन कोडिंग. कोडिंग के लिए आपको पॉजिटिव होना ज़रूरी है कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए मैं कोड कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. Now I'll suggest some ways to overcome the fear of coding. According to me, you will not run looking behind, but you look forward and you'll run after this particular tips which are going to be there before you for overcoming the fear of coding. First very important code and tips to remove the fear of coding is you should find a good resource of learning. Find a good book which can guide you enough to how to go for coding, which goes with a simple example, and then you can go towards coding languages approach. जैसे C++ is having Yashwant Kanetkar, you have Bal Guru Swami. So these are basic books which you can refer and through which you can have a good resource of learning. So always to remove the fear of coding, go through a simple language books which can make you understand what coding is. Second factor is that you just start coding, but start small code. Don't directly go for a very big program. You start with a very simple program. That is why each and every book generally starts with what? Just printing one statement. जैसे आपने print hello कर दिया या print hello world, see out hello. The syntax of each and every languages are different, but they start with a very small code. So daily practice small codes and then go into major codes. Once you get confidence in writing the small codes, then you will automatically get approachable towards writing big codes. Next, you should focus on only one programming language at a time. Don't focus for multiple programming languages at a time. For 1 month, consider you just concentrate on C++. For another month you can go towards Python and so on. But understand one programming language at a time. Don't go for learning each and every programming language at a same time. This may cause the confusion of coding. Next is that you should realize that you are not here to learn 100%. No man is perfect, so we do not need to learn 100%. You should start learning things, because never an expert in C++, whosoever it is, may surely not know about 100% of the programming language. He or she may be knowing about 92%, 95%, but not 100%. No man is having 100% knowledge about any of the languages. इसीलिए आप ये realize हमेशा करो कि You not need to learn the 100%, but whatever you learn it to the optimum phase. Next is again, do not rush. Do not rush means what? You do not go in a hurry कि मुझे आज ये भी कर लूँ, आज सारे if else if switch case for loop, do while सब एक ही दिन करने जाओगे, you will again go into depression and you will have that fear of coding which is not going to be removed. So do not go in a rush, go steady and steady. You know about the story that slow and steady wins the race. So tortoise goes slowly and hence he wins the race. In the similar manner, you also do not rush, you will win the race of learning the coding languages programming. Next is, whenever your code is very large to be done, break down that code into small parts. Code one by one and get the answer. If one part of the code gives you a solution, then go for the other part of the code and then go for the third. So don't write a program at a time, everything in a program, you go stepwise. That will surely give you much more confidence and your fear of coding will be removed. Last but not least, you should find a mentor for each and every programming language you learn. You have to have an ideal mentor to which you can discuss all your points. You can without fear anytime ask your mentor that I am facing a problem in this particular coding, kindly help me out over here, and I am sure that your fear of coding is going to be removed. And last but not least, it needs a practice. Everything comes to you as an expertise when you practice and practice. Okay, so this is what I am there as a mentor. I am there to guide you. Myself, Kianchana Mahesh Sanghvi. I'll be available at sanghvi.kmcoe@snjv.org. My blog kianchan1.wordpress.com, which finds an informative videos as well as the notes about the different object oriented programming and C++ concept. My phone number whenever I will be available on my WhatsApp 9921343342. Thank you so much for your patience listening.